And we are still in front of the new Weinsberg on the new Fiat Ducato chassis, the Carabus 540 MQ Edition Fire. And we shall be checking the complete specs and interior of this camper van. Let's go firstly to the specs, the actual price of 68.25. And then we have some bright lights inside, and we shall be going firstly on the back part, so we can understand if this is a good place to sleep. And we shall be measuring the bed from end to end. It's about 1.4 on the widest part, and then approximately 1.2 on the least. So you will be putting your legs there and your head will be down there. But actually you have a pretty deep garage space, 1.187, and it's 1 meter wide. Not bad. I will be entering and trying that inside so we can check, understand if this 540 variant can fit 4 people. Well, it will be able to fit 4 people because we have the pop-up roof where you can comfortably sleep 2 people, and also they retain this overhead space unit, a lot more space for this smaller camper van of 540. Cabinet, and also the feature that any Weinsberg has, you can slide out and make a little more space if you travel with 2 bigger or childs or 2 adults. From this side, 2 burner stove, and there is the frigo down there. Not bad, pretty good size. And then there are 3 storage cabinets unit for your cookware, and also storage bin right up there. And also from this side we have a storage compartment going all the way down. Not bad. And then we have 1 big kitchen compartment and 4 pretty deep separated cabinets for your belongings all around. Nice looking interior with also 2 hooks. And when you get the feeling of the bedroom, actually is not too bad. I can fit inside and take a shower without any problems. I am 185 and I don't touch the actual ceiling, so not bad, not perfect, but for 4 people, nah, this will be pretty good. Let's go outside and have an outside look of this new Carabus 550 MQ. There you have it.